figured it out.
It's alive.
What's that? Are you happy?
Hell yeah. Happiest I've been since I bought it.
Alright, well, success.
Awesome.
Yep, that's the first time it's raining in, what, 13 years? So all we did, thanks to a buddy of mine,
Yeah.
Nathan, is he told us to bridge this this port here, and so we figured out that more than likely the ECU for the fuel pump is bad, so we'll do a 12 volt mod and it'll just run direct 12 volts to it, and that should take care of this thing so we can go drive it. Okay. There it is.
Alright, so
Pull that out real quick. Alright.
trying to see if we could get it to work a different way. And if it works, then we'll connect it better.
And then plug this back in.
Yeah. That's why I keep you around.
Yeah.
Let's try this again. Been waiting for this since 2006, I think.
Yeah. So that's how you brake in a car, huh, Mike?
Oh yeah. This is awesome.
I bet. That's fun.
get on anybody else's car like this.
Yeah. What do you think of the car?
Awesome. I don't care if it doesn't have a turbo or not, I'm happy to drive it.
So how long has it been since you drove it?
2006, I believe. End of 2005 or 2006, so
Yeah.
11 or 12 years.
So it feels pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah. Almost felt like the first time.
So you plan on keeping it on the road this time?
Well, I'm registering and insuring it this week. So.
Oh, perfect. All right, good. So we'll
Oh,
have
yeah.
to go out and cruise around together with
I'm not
both the
washing
cars.
it anytime soon, but I'm going to be driving it.
Yeah, I think the look's kind of cool, actually. It's starting to grow on me.
It looks like camo.
Yeah,
Country camo.
Yes, yeah. All right, well, cool.
Yeah,
Well,
now we'll be putting videos of it riding around and hopefully doing cool stuff to it.
Yep, so if you guys are happy that Mike got this thing back on the road, go ahead and smash that like button.
Thumbs up.
Yep, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.